Let's dive into division. 332 divided by 2. Hey math adventurers, ready to conquer division? Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Let's Stud for more awesome math adventures. Alright, let's get started with our first step. We look at the first digit of 332, which is 3. We'll use this 3 for now. How many times does 2 fit into 3? It fits 1 time. Let's check. 1 times 2 is 2. Now we subtract. 3 minus 2 equals 1. That's our remainder for this step. Awesome, you're doing great. We'll bring down the next digit 3 to join our remainder 1. On to step 2, we've got this. Say hello to our new number, 13. We made this by bringing down the 3. How many times does 2 go into 13? Think of your 2 times tables. It's 6. Let's multiply. 6 times 2 equals 12. Time to subtract. 13 minus 12 leaves us with 1. Fantastic work. You're a division superstar. We're almost there. Bring down the last digit 2 to join the remainder 1. Last step, let's finish strong. Our number is now 12. We got this by bringing down the 2. How many times does 2 fit into 12? You got it, it's 6. Let's check. 6 times 2 is exactly 12. Subtract again. 12 minus 12 equals 0. No remainder this time. Woohoo, you nailed it. We're all done with the division. And that's how we divide 332 by 2. We're done. We found that 332 divided by 2 equals 166. Great job, everyone. We successfully divided 332 by 2 step by step. Remember, every division problem is a chance to practice and become even smarter. Keep up the amazing work. That's all for today, Math Stars. Keep practicing, stay curious, and check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud. See you next time.